Mysore was a powerful kingdom in Deccan that could challenge Company's power. 4 wars were fought between EIC and rulers of Mysore. Hyder Ali and his son Tipu Sultan, originally Vodayar, from Vijayanagar Empire, were rulers of Mysore dynasty, but in 1761, Hyder Ali, a powerful commander of the army, usurped the power and became king. Upon Hyder Ali coming to throne of Mysore, rivalry started between Mysore, Nizam and Marathas. East India Company exploited this opportunity very nicely. First Anglo-Mysore War, 1767–69. Causes: Hyder Ali wanted to expel British from South India. EIC wanted to expand its territory from Carnatic to Mysore. Events: EIC made triple alliance, EIC plus Nizam plus Marathas, and attacked Mysore. The war went on for 18 months. One night, suddenly, Hyder Ali marched up on Madras and forced the English in a humiliating treaty.